Number 10, Surah Yunus. Surah 51 according to the order of revelation. The surah was revealed in Makkah perhaps a few years before the Hijrah. It has 109 verses in 11 sections. The main subject of this surah is faith in Allah and belief in the hereafter. Those who have true faith, they worship Allah and recognize Him as their Lord and Master and live their lives in accordance to His command. Allah sent His messengers to remind people and to warn them. The stories of Prophet Noah and Prophet Moses with Pharaoh are told to remind people about the consequences of unfaithfulness and arrogance. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The Quran is the book of wisdom. It contains signs from the All-Wise. Number 2. Man's ingratitude to Allah and His revelation. Number 3. Allah's mercy to His creation. Allah invites to the abode of peace. Number 4. Allah's gift. The Quran is from Allah. Bring a surah like the Quran if you can. Number 5. Those who disbelieve in the Quran shall be the losers. Every people were sent a messenger. Number 6. The Quran is a mercy, blessing and a cure for the problems of humankind. Number 7. Whatever you do, Allah is a witness. The mistakes of the mushrikeen. Number 8. The story of Prophet Noah and his people, Prophet Moses and Aaron, peace be upon them all. Number 9. Allah delivered the children of Israel from the bondage of the Pharaoh. Number 10. Allah's mercy for the children of Israel, Prophet Yunus and his people. Number 11. If Allah afflicts you with any loss or wants to bestow any profit on you, none can avert it. You must follow Allah's guidance.